And now I have the component hooked up here. Yellow one's off. Alright. See what happens. PS2 with the component cables. Turn this sucker on. This PlayStation 2 game. See what happens. Nothing. Nothing. Let's see here. Let's go up here. Other component. I'm gonna say no. Well, I got it to show up. And we got color. And what I ended up having to do like twice is unplug this, plug it back in, and it's still no picture. And unplug it, plug it back in, and yeah, here. So, pretty easy to plug in a friggin' plug. You'd think. Thought I had it, but anyway. Here's the. This is composite with PlayStation 2. The PlayStation 2 game. Well, so I'm going to shut this off. Let's see what happens with a PS1 game. Alright, Final Fantasy VII back in. It's a good sign. Unsupported. Color. Unsupported. See if it comes up on the computer. I hear music. I see no video on the computer. We're on component. Let's try composite. Okay. And okay. And swap that yellow and red again. Hey, I got it on the computer now, in color. Just not on the TV. So, let's see what I got here. Right there, I got cables. So, I got some of these splitters. Female in here. It's a male on that side, but I got this little barrel. And we'll see what we can do. So, we're going to go yellow from the PlayStation. take that and we'll split it. No, wait. I will need this to go into this end. So I got the video. Let's do this. So the PlayStation 1 game will not come through on the composite. Those guys. So, coming from out the back of the PlayStation, split it, run it up to the TV. Boom. Just like that. So you'll need another set of cables, some splitters, and yeah, split the signal so that way, there we go. Guess that's what we have to do, is go analog. Cannot go HDMI out of this guy. So let's put a button here. And this memory card. There we go, continue. Nice. Well, looks pretty good. Controls still feel like they're on. So let's go. Push over. One. Not bad. Maybe an ever so slight delay. Maybe. Not bad though. Cool, not bad. Alright. Sounds good, I think that's a win. If you want to do old games, get yourself some splitters, and you'll be able to see it on the TV. And yeah, cool. Maybe we'll see some gameplay videos. We'll see what happens. Alright, thanks.